So I'm back with another video doing a showing, you guys doing a ride along with me on my showing. So this is when you first come into the property. This is what it looks like this is a closet here, and I'm guessing this will be the living room here. This will be the dining room here. They already they have a lot of connections. And this will be the kitchen. So I guess it's like open. I like this. It's really open. And I guess we got to see too if appliances are actually included with this property. Now I think that they're gonna really like this, you guys. Let's see. Did you open that back door up? I don't know. That's scary. I don't like that. You didn't open the back door up?
No, I did not. That's patio.
I think that we should do we should lock it, and I'm gonna tell the realtor that it was open. That's not good, y'all. That's scary. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. That door can barely lock, though, honestly. Okay, so let's see, you guys. This is how you can get about this house, because I'm creeped out now. So yeah, this will be like the kitchen view. This is what you would like to see in the kitchen. I didn't get to go through this bathroom all the way. I just ran past the bathroom, y'all. I guess I wasn't too excited to see it. So they have one of the nests too for their energy. That's good for if you want to save your energy, or if you want to set it to a certain temperature when you come back home. Especially, we're gonna have winter pretty soon too, you guys. We're going to have winter before you know it. So let me do one more shot of the full bedroom. Then don't forget too, that was the other bedroom here. The closet there. I like that it's a solid black, but these solid black doors, I really love them. I'm looking to see if they painted this like this, or did they buy them and somebody else already painted them. I love the solid black. Makes me want to put that in my house. Solid black doors. Only thing is you won't see the dirt and stuff on it. So let's go upstairs. Wow, it's really open up here, you guys. This is downstairs. So it's a smaller bedroom. This is probably nice for a small office. Or say if you have a little baby. This would be perfect for that. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. If I can turn the light on. It's a double shower. I would change the shower head, definitely, but this is still really nice. You and your spouse, you don't have to worry about forcing yourself to fit in the shower together anymore. You get on your side. So I definitely like a different temperature. I guess this is the master bedroom with the full bath right outside of it. And then too, they got the balcony out here too, you guys. This is the thing that I really like the most. I think this is really what's gonna sell the house. this right here and the point that this master bedroom is really big compared to what we've been seeing. So let me show you a full view of this bedroom. I think I'm really gonna like this for sure. A nice size closet. Again, black door. Really like that. Yeah, that's a full bedroom here. And then too, let's go back into this shower, you guys. I think it's for the price that they want for it. It's like really amazing, you guys, that you're gonna get all this for what they want for it. You got all those bedrooms downstairs. You got all the bedrooms up here. And look at this. You got this whole seating area up here. So you got 3 bedrooms up here, full bath, and you can still put like a nice living room set up here for entertainment. And you still got the basement, but I really don't want to go in the basement, you guys, because I'm kind of nervous to go in that basement. They're calling me. Let's see. But yeah, you guys, we back in the kitchen now. So you got 2 seating areas. You got that area right here, and then you still have the upstairs area, and then you have down here. So you got 2 full bathrooms here too, you guys. And I like this too because you can put some nice tall stools right here. You could be cooking, entertaining. You can put a TV right there on that wall. That'd be really nice. Put a nice dining room table in here. Still got that bedroom. And look, fireplace. And you have place where you can store. You can put nice things up here. You put a nice TV right there. It's really nice here, you guys. Look at this nice porch. It's really nice, you guys. I just tell about that door. That door bothering me. Did not bother you? The door is. Yeah, that's scary. Talk to you guys later.